Welcome back to Three Brothers Disc Golf. We're here at Messiah University.
Yeah.
Where Kyle went to school.
Is it my alma mater? Is that what the word is? Yeah. Yeah, we're here. And we are going to play the course, see if I can beat Zach at what I would consider the course I play the most. It definitely is. I've played this course probably 200 times. So hopefully I come out on top today. I have the knowledge. But Zach and I haven't played much in a while, so we're a little rusty. So I'm going to try to shake that rust off. But all right, let's get into it.
Hole one, it's around 300 feet. Downhill to the right, so a nice forehand will get you up there. Definitely do not want to early release it into the woods, or if you're throwing a backhand, grip block it into the woods, but should be a nice little forehand chip shot.
Okay. I'm not playing any OG. It's in the woods.
I said that's not what you want to do.
I have a summer hole where that's in the woods.
That's laying up.
The wind just knocked that down. Good par. Hole 2, par 3, 292 feet. You can play the fairway, which goes straight and then goes to the right at the end. You see this big old clump of trees in the middle. If you early release or just don't throw too far on the forehand, you can get stuck in there and it makes it really hard to save par. Or you can try to play it safe and do a backhand around, but that's a lot harder to get the birdie. So kind of pick your poison on this hole, and since the tall grass is no longer tall, you can kind of go both ways. Yeah, that's good. That'll be a pretty easy cut.
Well, I got a weird air bounce.
Hole 3, it's a par 3, around 235 feet. Really not much to it, just a straight shot. Definitely do not want to hyzer out early and get into the woods on the left.
The wind's gonna push you into it. You might be long of it, so you might be. Oh, hyzer. Hole 4 is a par 3, 220 feet, straight ahead. There's a tree on the right and then 2 trees on the left. You want to miss those. You can go up the middle. You can try to do the hyzer around with a forehand or backhand. All you want to make sure you do is don't go in the woods on the right, because that is going to spell a bogey for you.
Nope. Yeah, not really close to that.
Zach with a difficult low ceiling putt.
Oh, I got it.
Hole 5, par 3, 250 feet. Basket's up by that dead tree. So probably just a vacuum riser will get you there.
Weather update. It's like 35, maybe a little bit colder, but we also have a lot of wind coming in, so it feels very chilly today. And I have this to keep my hand warm. That was really bad. Nice throw. Get up.
Kyle shot, landed over there. Basket's there.
Headwind putt.
Nice headwind, ice cold hands putt. Good putt.
We did the same thing. Hole 6, par 3, 310 feet. It is a dead straight shot, and there's not much to say about it. We got some tall grass on the right that you want to make sure you don't get in. And then by the basket, there's a hillside. If you go too far, you could be on it, or if you go left early, you can be on that hillside and have some weird footing for your putt. But for the most part, just try to keep it in the middle and try to get as close as you can to the basket. There's a headwind, guys. Up.
Oh.
Hole 7, it's about 280 feet, but it's uphill a little bit. Basket's up there. You got some tall stuff on the right and it's low down on the left, so probably either a forehand or a backhand will get you there. Kind of your choice. Still a little short there.
Oh. Close. There.
I'm gonna try to hang it on it. Fully, it's about 290 feet, but it's uphill, so it plays like a little bit more. It is dead straight ahead, but we've got some compost piles in the way, so we gotta watch out for those. Tall grass on the right as well that you don't really want to be in, so just gotta get up there. There's a gravel path, and if you're anything beyond that, you're definitely in putting range. Up closer to the basket, if you're on the left, there's some tall grass there as well that you kind of don't want to get into, but overall, just try to keep it safe and get close.
Ooh, the wind took that on the skiff.
hole 9 about 410 feet. Tall grass on both the left and right side of the fairway. Basket's on top of a little gopher hole, like all around it, and there's a drop off behind it, so definitely do not want to go long on your up shot. Really tough to get the birdie. Really just looking for the par. Oh, you went deep.
Alright, if I have any chance of beating Zach on the front 9, I need to throw it in here. So, going with the Get Freaky zone.
Oh,
I gave it a chance.
yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Ooh, that's a little short. Oh, you got a chance, Kyle.
We're gonna battle fight.
1, 2, 3. Tied. All right, thanks for watching our front 9 here at Messiah University. It was a rough day. It's kind of cold out, it's kind of windy out, and that led to some bad shots, but some good shots too. We both finished at +2. Zach had a little bit of a tough time on this green, so even though I don't deserve it, I squeaked out a tie. Anything to add, Zach?
My hands are frozen.
Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and I think that's it for us today, so peace.